Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. So today I would like to share a review of two of my favorite products. The first product is L'Oreal Professionnel Paris Absolute Repair Oil. It's basically a serum, can be used after hair wash or a normal hair. And it's a 10-in-1 professional oil included. Multi-benefit leave-in treatment for normal to sanitized hair. It can be used every day. And yesterday also I've applied this after a wash, a bit quantity of the serum, and right now I'm using this in front of you. I put some of drops of this. So I've applied it in dry hair as well, and you can see the difference and an instant result. This is a non-sponsored video, nobody had paid me for this. It claims that it enriched with vegetable oil. According to this, there's a 10 benefits after using this. The first one is nourishment, second resurfacing, third lightweight touch, fourth softness, fifth detangling, sixth conditioning, seven manageability, eight shine, and nine protection, and 10 smoothness. I've bought this product from Nykaa on MRP 1200 rupees. Yeah, it's a bit expensive but worth the money. I can see the softness and shine on my hair, and I can comb easily. It's one of my favorite serum. I would like to share a second product which is from Makeup Revolution, my favorite lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. I would like to share a swatch of this lipstick. It's a creamy and amazing shade. I wear it regularly. I can use this as a blush as well. It blends amazingly. Thank you so much for supporting me. I really hope you enjoyed the entire video, and will come with more reviews, tutorial videos soon. Bye bye.